I have a 50 megapixel camera here on my phone, and you could be having a higher end camera. So if you need to use that high end camera on your smartphone, very simple. You need to change the setting here, and you be able to take high resolution photos right from your smartphone. And here's how to do it. Launch the camera, but by the way, this applies to Samsung users. So you change the settings to 3.4, 50 megapixels, and you'll be able to shoot high quality pics right from your smartphone. As you can see, this image is also having 19.55 megabytes, and this is its resolution, 50 megapixels.